Hi guys, today we talk about how to turn off requests of assistance on your Ring app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Ring app. So all you have to do, just go up of this sign here in app, click on it. So then it's going to show for your list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here and you click here on neighbor settings here. So then you go down, you click here on neighborhood settings here. Then you come to this list here, you click here on content settings here. So then you go down, you come here to request for assistance. You click in this sign or this color. Then like you say color, it's contact me. That's main request for assistance. It's on off now. Then you click here on play filter. Then it's going to turn off video on your Ring app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.